Welcome to our Excel masterclass on VLOOKUP. In this part, we will cover the basic of VLOOKUP and understand how to use it effectively. Lookup stands for vertical lookup. Imagine it as a detective search down a column to find the right information. Here, the basic syntax of VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP lookup value, comma, table array, comma, column index number, comma, and the last range lookup. Let's say you have a list of employees. To find an employee's name using its ID, use VLOOKUP like this. Avoid common errors. Lock your data range with the $sign to keep it consistent when copying the formula. In part 2, we will explore advanced tricks to become an Excel expert. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.